Best modifications for a 2026 Audi S3, subtle luxury meets serious speed. The 2026 Audi S3 represents the perfect balance between elegance and performance, a refined luxury sedan that hides a true performance spirit beneath its polished design. Powered by Audi's proven EA888 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S3 delivers precision handling, rapid acceleration, and everyday usability. Yet for those who crave even more excitement, the S3 offers immense tuning potential. With a few key modifications, this compact powerhouse transforms into a stealthy street weapon capable of rivaling cars twice its price. At the heart of the 2026 S3 lies the EA888 Gen 4 engine, which produces around 315 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque in stock form. It's a solid foundation for tuning, known for its durability and responsiveness. The first step to unlocking more performance is improving airflow. A cold air intake from Integrated Engineering (APR) or CTS turbo enhances induction efficiency and adds that addictive turbo flutter sound. Combine it with a high-flow downpipe and performance catback exhaust from Miltech, AWE, or Remus, and you'll instantly notice quicker turbo spool, sharper throttle response, and a more aggressive exhaust note. The real magic happens with an ECU tune. A Stage 1 tune from APR or EQT boosts power to around 380 horsepower, while a Stage 2 setup, combined with an upgraded intercooler, turbo inlet pipe, and fuel pump, can push the S3 past 420 horsepower. With Audi's lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DSG, and Quattro system, the result is a car that rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds with relentless traction and confidence. Handling can also be dramatically enhanced. While the S3's factory suspension is well-balanced, upgrading to KW-V3 coilovers or Bilstein B16 dampers gives you adjustable ride height and damping for a personalized setup. 034 Motorsport sway bars and PowerFlex bushings tighten up the chassis, reducing body roll and sharpening turn-in precision. Pair these with lightweight forged wheels from BBS or Nuspeed and Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, and the S3 will handle corners with surgical precision. For braking, a big brake kit from Brembo or StopTech offers increased stopping power and fade resistance, essential for spirited driving or track days. Slotted rotors, ceramic pads, and stainless steel brake lines enhance consistency and pedal feel, ensuring total confidence during aggressive deceleration. Visually, the S3 benefits from subtle but effective enhancements. A carbon fiber front splitter, rear diffuser, and trunk lip spoiler from Maxton Design or ABT Sportsline not only improve aerodynamics but also give the car a sharper, more dynamic appearance. Inside, a flat-bottom steering wheel, short-throw shifter, and sport pedals emphasize Audi's motorsport heritage. With these modifications, the 2026 Audi S3 evolves into the ultimate sleeper, elegant enough for daily life, yet fierce enough to embarrass sports cars on the weekend. It's the embodiment of Audi's Vorsprung durch Technik philosophy, precision engineering, luxurious design, and pure driving excitement in one sleek package.